Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is from one of my subscribers that want me to do some meatballs, some turkey meatballs and gravy over some Roman noodles. And I said, okay, I will do it for you. So here's the recipe. It's the Roman noodles, the turkey meatballs and gravy over Roman noodles. That's an easy, simple recipe that they want to do for their family. And I will have the link that you can go to soulfoodqueen.net to get this recipe. It looks really, really good, and I think you will enjoy it. So let me get a good profile of that right there. See the meatballs? They are so tender, and they cover with the onions and garlic. And I'm going to put a little parsley flakes in. I did put parsley flakes in there, but I just fix it simple so they can have a simple little dish. When they get home from work, you just roll those meatballs up, or you let them saute that night, and then cook them when you get home that evening. They will be extra seasoned and flavorful. And then you just get your little Roman noodles out where it takes 2 or 3 minutes for them to cook. And you add this gravy. You can get your favorite gravy mix, and you can add to this. And hey, there you go right there. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. This is Sandra. Thank you for coming to my channel.